What's going on? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek. So you're a Google Ads agency, run PPC. What if a client cancels? What do you do? So I'm going to walk through that real quick. Again, this is Ed here from ClicksGeek. We're a Google Premier Partner agency. We build and manage Google Ad campaigns for local businesses and other agencies, and we specialize in generating leads using Google. So what do you do if a client cancels? I got this question from one of our YouTube subscribers, and he was asking, if a client cancels, do you go in there and cancel the campaign? Do you remove the landing page? Do you just delete the account? What do you do exactly? As an agency, it is our belief that the Google Ads account should belong and be owned by the client. So I'm a believer in the fact that we're a manager of that account. We're a steward of that account, if you will. We are not the owner of that account. So each new client we get gets moved inside of our MCC account, and from within the MCC account, that's where we manage them. So if a client does leave, all we do is pause the account, pay the existing balance that's left, because everything is billed in arrears within the Google Ads platform. And then on our end, we'll remove the reporting, we'll remove the landing page, and we'll remove CallRail, the call tracking. The reason we remove reporting, landing page, and call tracking is because those are licensed softwares that we pay for monthly. Those are not things that we own. So basically, the landing page, reporting, and call tracking is only available while under management. Should the client want the landing page files, I'm happy to send them the files. The only thing is they don't get a finished product. They don't get a live site. They would have to buy Instapage, sign up for a plan, set up everything needed on the back end, then install the file, point it towards a domain, or however they're going to do that. So there's legwork there, and there's obviously the cost of setting that up. Then they'd also have to set up CallRail or set up Google call tracking. So in terms of the account itself, we leave the campaign as is. We just pause it. We're not spiteful or anything. We don't go in there and mess with things or delete things. There is a change history. So everything you do in the account is documented. So don't do anything silly like that. It's really as simple as just pausing it, removing the landing page, removing the call tracking, removing the reporting. If you use ClickCease or any fraud softwares, you just remove that. And then just the account's paused. That's it. And you part ways. The reason you do it amicably like that, well, I can't talk today. A lot of times clients come back. A lot of times they pause for internal reasons, not necessarily account performance. And things change, situations change, and they want to come back. Having to rebuild that entire landing page is a mess. So why don't you do yourself a favor, just email yourself a copy of the landing page file, or save it in your, whatever your project management software is. Basecamp is what we use. Save a file in there, or save it on your desktop. And you then have the file available if the client should come back. More importantly, though, if you get another client in the same niche, all you got to do is upload that file, edit the file, and it makes launching a landing page that much easier. So a lot of people ask how we're able to launch clients so fast. Like typically, let's say we onboard somebody today on a Monday, we'll have them live 2 to 4 business days later. And the reason we're able to do that so fast is because we've been in so many niches that there's a lot of cloning and editing happening. We're able to clone existing campaigns that are working really well, go in and edit for that particular client's market, and then landing page, we're able to clone existing pages that are working really well and edit them specifically for the client. So client copy, client's logo, their testimonials, their phone numbers, their calls to action, that kind of stuff. But not having to recreate the wheel each time makes it a lot easier to replicate. So I just went a little off of direction there, but I just wanted to throw that in there. Yeah, so if a client cancels, which happens, not everybody stays forever. It's just it's a fact of business. Do the right thing. Just pause the campaign. Clear out the existing budget. Just get that paid, and then that's it. Don't do anything spiteful or rude or mean. Something you wouldn't want to have done to you. Just keep it as is. Keep in mind there's a change history. So if you do something nefarious, it's documented. That's it. Keep it simple. And then onward and upward to the next client. If you guys need anything, links in the description, links to our services, our regular Google Ads management services, our white label PPC services, our Google Ads course, our landing page course, our agency course will be down there as well shortly. If you guys need anything, just hit me up in the comments or shoot me an email. Have a great day, guys. Bye.